Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a Bluetooth keyboard to your Xbox. It's important to know that Xbox consoles do not natively support Bluetooth keyboards for direct connection. Instead, they primarily work with wired USB keyboards or wireless keyboards that use a dedicated USB dongle. While some third-party adapters exist to bridge this gap, official support for Bluetooth keyboards is quite limited. Understanding Xbox keyboard compatibility is key. Your Xbox console is primarily designed to work with USB keyboards, which you can simply plug into one of the available USB ports. Many wireless keyboards that utilize a dedicated USB dongle, typically operating on a 2.4 GHz frequency, are also compatible. However, Bluetooth technology on Xbox is mainly reserved for controllers and headsets, not for direct keyboard connections. If you're set on using a Bluetooth keyboard, exploring third-party adapters is your next step. These devices are designed to convert your Bluetooth keyboard signals into a format your Xbox can understand, typically a USB input. Keep in mind that these adapters often require specific software or configuration, and their performance can vary. Popular options like the XIM Matrix or LeadJoy VX2 can emulate controller input, but always research compatibility and user reviews thoroughly before buying. It's important to be aware of the limitations. Even with third-party adapters, full keyboard functionality might be restricted to text entry and certain games. Input lag can also be a concern with some solutions, potentially affecting your responsiveness in fast-paced titles. For the most reliable and responsive experience, a wired USB keyboard remains the top recommendation for Xbox. Always keep your Xbox system software updated to ensure the best possible peripheral compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.